Alright, here we have switch 3, switch 2, and switch 1. Now switch 3 is the one that I didn't actually affix the faceplate to. I just popped it into place to keep everything safe. So without further ado, just shut the light off so you can see that. Sorry, it's a little difficult to hold. The battery and the contacts. There we go. Nice and blue. Then we'll move on to switch number 2, which is right here. Try to keep the light on so you can see each individual switch. Alright, switch number 2. I'd hate to do this one-handed all the time. Nice and blue for you. And then the final one, I'll put the camera down, should be easier. Okay. So that was 2, this is 1. Just plug the connector in. And let me try to get the contacts. Nope, that's not going to work. 1 second. There we go. Alright. So, yeah. There you go. All 3 of them work.